Hello and welcome back to the tutorial on how to reskin code Flappy 3D. So, in this video I will show you how to change in-app purchases settings and how to change or add network IDs. So, first that we want to do is to create your own in-app purchases setting. You need to set up in-app purchases in iTunes Connect, as well as you need to set up leaderboard in iTunes Connect as well, and also add your app on Chartboost, Google AdMob, and Wongle, which will give you video ads. So let's start with in-app purchases. I have set up my own, and in the text below you can see what kind of in-app purchases you have to set up. So first we search for node, and then we must find the one node that has in-app purchase settings in inspector window. And here it is. It is called node store, and here you just need to paste in your own in-app purchase settings. In Unity we will have to do this in like three or four places. And that is just because how the Unity works. It is possible to create in the code that you only have to change it in only one place, but that requires extra time on development side, and maybe I will add this in the future versions of the code. Okay, once we have changed it here, we must change it also in some other files, and one of them is store kit listener, event listener. Just double click the file and it will open Unity's another program, and we just do the same, and we just paste our IDs over the ones that we have here. We just save this one, and now we have to change it in one more file. Here it is. Oh no, this is for just in case we just change it here as well. Videos on how to create Android build will follow up shortly, but the code exports on Android as well. You just need to have proper setup for that. And that's all. So now let's see if we have to changing up purchases settings. Oh yes, here it is, notes controller file as well. So you need to change the IDs here as well. So in total you have to change purchase IDs in these three files: store kit, event listener. This is for Android, but as you will want to build for Android, you change there as well. And in notes controller script file. Okay, once this is done, we can move on to the next step. Here you see all the script files. You have to open main menu controller file, and you have to change link here. This link will allow your users to rate your app. This is the rate link. You have to change it in main menu controller, and then you have put the same link in game over controller. Okay, now let's close these and move on to the chart boost integration. Here is chart boost compo manager script, and we just open it. And here you can see this one is for Android and this one is for iPhone. And at the moment I will just replace the iPhone version, but if you are planning to build the Android version, you can go ahead and replace both of them. It will save you time in the future. And that is it for Android, for chart boost. Now we move on, and let's see. We open Wungle Combo Manager file, and here is the same story. First one is for Android, and second one is for iOS. So take your ID that you created on Wungle site and just paste it over. Save it, and this is all for Wungle ads. Now we have to change AdMob's ID. and here we open add more plugin demo script, and this is the place where you have to put your banner ID. Just put in my new ID. Save the file. And that is all for this one. Now we have to change leaderboard ID. And we can do that on Gamecenter binding. On this script file. And here is the old ID, and I will replace it with my new ID. So, and so we save it, and this is all you have to do to add your network IDs and set up in-app purchases. On the next video, we will export the code to Xcode. Yes, so see you on the next video.